Every boat that we make here in Fort Wayne, Indiana is built on RPM technology. RPM stands for Ride, Performance, and Maneuverability. Our ambition was to create a pontoon platform that offers a smooth, quiet ride, unmatched performance, and easy handling. We tested dozens of iterations of tube designs, nose cone configurations, and lifting strike angles over 3 years to make sure that we had the best combination to give you a smooth, quiet ride, optimized performance, and easy maneuverability. Compared to previous Harris models, we were able to achieve 35% less vibration at the helm, a flatter running angle, 5 to 10% higher top speed, 10% faster acceleration, 10% more fuel efficiency, enhanced handling in the turns, and reduced spray off the back of the boat. RPM technology is standard on every model to give you a premium pontoon experience on every Harris boat.